Hello everyone. Today the topic is geometric mean in discrete series. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean is nothing but nth product of n item of the series. This is the geometric mean. Last class we have done the geometric mean in the individual series. Today we saw geometric mean in discrete series. Geometric mean of a set of observations x1, x2, x3, xn where the expected frequencies f1, f2, f3, f1 is given by. So this is a geometric into discrete series. X with frequency means this is a discrete series. Geometric mean formula is antilog of summation f log x divided by capital N. Antilog of summation f log x divided by capital N. You know very well. Capital N is the total frequency. Definitely you have to know the difference between the small and capital N. Small n used only in the individual series. Discrete series you have to use only the capital N. That's a total frequency. We see the problem. Find the geometric mean. Data are given expenditure and number of family. Expenditure is X and number of families equal to F. Expenditure values are 130, 135, 140, 145, 143, 148, 149, 150. Number of families 3, 4, 6, 6, 3, 5, 2, 2. It's a corresponding frequencies. So first you know the formula. We know that geometric mean equal to antilog of summation f log x by capital N. Depends on formula, we have to create the tabular column. So formula கேட்ட மாதிரி tabular column create பண்ணும். So tabular column to formula is antilog of summation f log x divided by capital N. So we need the f log x total. So tabular column create பண்ண x f first log x tabular column and then f into log x tabular column. So இதுதான் geometric mean tabular column. So formula என்ன தேவைப்படுது f log x. So x f fill பண்ணிட்டு given values and fill it log x. Log x means each and every time you have to take the logarithm and multiply with the f term, the corresponding multiply with the corresponding f value. So first fill the f x and f value. We know very well x values 130, 135, 140, 145, 143, 148, 149, 150. And the corresponding frequencies 3, 4, 6, again 6, 3, 5, 2, 2. First take the total of frequency because capital N equal to total frequency. So N or total for the total 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. So add பண்ணீங்கன்னா you got answer 31. So இப்போ ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் logarithm கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். First one log x. Log 130 value 2.1139. Log 135 value. So calculate use பண்ணுங்க, got the answer easily 2.1303. Log 140 answer 2.1461. Log 145 answer 2.1614. Log 143 answer 2.1553. And log 148 2.1703. Next log 149 2.1732. Log 150 value 2.1761. So each and every time calcs use பண்ணி value கண்டுபிடிங்க. And then we na formula என்ன தேவை வெறும் log x கிடையாது, f into log x, multiply the corresponding frequency value with log x. So 3 into 2.1139 means multiply பண்ணா 6.3417 and 4 into 2.1303 value 8.5212. Next 6 into 2.1461 value 12.8766 and next 6 into 2.1614 value 12.9684. Next 3 into 2.1553 value 6.4659. So calculate use பண்ணி போடுங்க. And next 5 into 2.1703 value 10.8515. Next 2.1732 value 4.3464. And next 2.2 into 2.217 6.1 value 4.3522. So எல்லா total கண்டுபிடிங்க. So total பண்ணீங்கன்னா 6.3417 plus 8.5212 plus 12.8766 plus 12.9684 plus 6.4659 plus 10.8515 plus 4.3464 plus 4.3522. So calci use பண்ணி போட்டிங்கன்னா 66.7239. இப்போ ஃபார்முலாக்குள்ள வந்து பார்க்கலாம். Just come back to formula. Geometric mean equal to anti-log of summation f log x by capital N. So anti-log ஓட value first value fill பண்ணலாம். Anti-log equal to f log x ஓட value 66.7239 divided by capital N value 31. So divide பண்ணுங்க. Geometric mean equal to anti-log of 2.1524 divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா 66.7239 divided 31 னா 2.1524 and take the log anti-log. Already சொல்லிருக்கு how to take the anti-log in the calci. Shift press பண்ணி log பண்ணீங்கன்னா got anti-log. So shift press பண்ணி log பண்ணி 2.1524 போட்டீங்கன்னா anti-log equal to 142.03. This is the geometric mean for the discrete series. In this way you have to solve the geometric mean for discrete series. So for the practice, I will give another sum or problem also. You try this formula. You try this problem in this formula. You got the answer. Thank you.